This guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-up ads that are associated with the site Todiscuassy.top. The website currently attacks the majority of popular browsers. It targets Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browsers too. And it is extremely dangerous for you to interact with these pop-ups because they try to make you click on the special Allow button that is integrated into the pop-up. The website says that you need to click on Allow in order to enable some HD streaming or to continue watching some movie or to verify that you are a human and not a robot or for some other reasons. But in reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on that Allow button, their browser gets almost immediately hijacked. First, they will be forwarded to some other questionable sites, plus they will start getting a lot of advertisement banners that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the screen. So you need to fix the issue immediately if you want to stop these ads from attacking your system. Go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Then in Permissions, you need to click on Notifications and research the bottom of the list that displays pages that are allowed to send notifications. When you find any deceptive sites here, get rid of them from this list. Also, I would recommend you to research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, and start examining the computer with this program to be persuaded that there are no any other hidden infections. After you successfully download and install the software, you'll have three scan types to choose from. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. So you'll click on Start Scan button, and then you'll find the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning, by the way, will take, well, at least several minutes, depending on how infected your computer is. Combo Cleaner will give you the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scan. It will show you the type of threat and the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. And by the way, you'll be able to remove each specific threat manually. However, Combo Cleaner gives you the best way to deal with such threats. You may remove them automatically by upgrading to the premium version of the application. Premium version of the software gives you the chance to use features like anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with premium version you will be protected from all sorts of contemporary threats, including ransomware. This way your data will be constantly protected and you may not worry about the safety of your private information, of your important files, pictures, music, and other information you store on your computer. So consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner to make sure your system is free of all kinds of current infections.